Hey guys, so this week we are doing our Enhancement 6 for CIT336, and this week we were using cookies and making sessions to create an admin page, so then it could pull the first names and emails, last name at user level of when someone logs in, and we're also doing it so when they log out, it would take them off. And so this is the admin page. And so right here we have this session cookie using it, so then when they are logged in, we can display a welcome up at the top. And then when they are logged in, right here we can see that we have an option for a logout button. And if they're not logged in, then we have the option for the My Account button. And that will take us to our login or our registration page. And then down here, within the admin page, this is the PHP for that. So then it'll display the first name, last name, email, and the user level. And right here, if our user level was greater than 1, then we would show the product management page, which would allow that admin to be able to go in and to add in a new product or add in a new category. And so other than that, added in some new code from our activities. So then when they do have a login, or when the cases log in, they have all of this happening. And so, and when we log out, we want to destroy the session and make it go back to the local page. So, viewing our Acme website right now. So right now I have someone named Timmy logged in. So let's go in and create a new user. And so the one that they want us to create is someone called admin. So we'll enter in all this and see what happens. So first name is admin, last name is user, email was admin@CIT336.net. Admin, here we go. And then the password is super user. Oops. Okay. So here we have admin registered. And so we can go in and log in as admin and see what happens. Now within the enhancement, it asks us to go in and to actually change the client level to 3. That way it's greater than 1. So if we were to refresh it, admin is right there. And as you can see, our client level is at 1. So we can edit this. So then our client level says 3. There we go. And we come back in here and log in. We can see this admin page, and it'll display the name, the email, the user level, and as you can see on the bottom, it has that products link to go to the products management. And so when we do that, we get add a new category, add in a new product, and that's how we can go and do that. Whoops, probably shouldn't have done that. Let's see. So I'm still trying to figure out, I believe some of my file paths are wrong, which is causing a lot of confusion for me. But as you can see, if we were back here on the admin page, up at the top, they have that log out button, and when we click that, it'll take us right back to our home page. And so that is the coding for this week in our enhancement. I just had a lot of trouble like figuring out some of the file paths and figuring out how I was going to be able to make it work, because my problem was when I pressed log out, some of my paths were wrong, so it wouldn't get me back to this home page. And yeah, and as far as for validating the code, the validator, it didn't really like it. So for example, if I were to do this, oh, whoops. So if we were to validate it, it would say that it can't be checked. So I decided to just input it directly and check the code that way. When I did that, it came up with errors, and most of the errors were from the PHP documentation. So that was the only problem that I ran into that. But yeah, that's it for this week. Hopefully this helps you if you're working on it. And there was still a lot that I could improve on within this week's enhancement. But it was fun, and it was cool getting to log in and actually register someone and seeing it happen within the website. So thank you.